Good afternoon. 下午好, my good students. In the last 2 classes, we've learned some difficult pinyin sounds. Do you remember what are they? Pay attention to the tongue. Zh, sh, sh, zh, z, c, s. Today our focus is on another group. Firstly, I will give you some general ideas to help you with remembering them easily. The first one, ji, as the sound in jump. Sh. Next one, qi, as the sound in chair. Sh. Xi, as the sound in shut. Sh. But if you want to master the accurate pinyin sounds, not the similar ones, then pay more attention to my following class. We need to talk about the tongue shape again. Do you remember for the first group of difficult pinyin sounds, what your tongue should do? Yes, curl back. Zh, sh, sh, zh. How about the second group? Your tongue should be flat. Z, c, s. Okay, and now please put your hand, turn your hand upside down, and then curl it a little bit, only a little bit, like this. Okay, the first sound. Ji, 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 ji. Give you some words to practice. Ji, ji, ji. Chicken. Jiā, jiā, jiā. Home. Jǐ, jǐ, jǐ. How many? Okay, the next one. Always keep the shape. Qi, 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 qi. Some words. 妻子，妻子，妻子 wife. 骑，骑，骑，骑马，骑马 ride a horse. 起，起，起床，起床 get up. 气，气，生气，生气 get angry. The last one. Remember the shape. 吸，吸，吸，吸 some words. 希，希，希望，希望 hope. 习，习，习惯，习惯 habit. 洗，洗，洗 wash. Okay, let's review them together. 鸡，鸡，七，七，西，西。My good students, are you familiar to this letter? I I guess your answer is no, because you don't have this in English, but it exists in Pinyin. And as I know, you always have problem pronouncing it, and are very easy to pronounce it as U. But please pay attention. It has 2 dots above U. So how do you pronounce it? Firstly, you read the letter E. E. It's very easy for you, right? E. E. And then read the letter U. 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 Once again. E. U. E. U. U. E. U. E. 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 When you read E, please remember to purse your lips. E. 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 律师，律师，律师 lawyer， 女，女，女人，女人 women， 句，句，句子，句子 sentence， 去，去，去北京，去北京，续，续，继续，继续，语，语。I guess you are a little bit confusing now. For 去，去，去，语, why there are no dots. So shouldn't they be read as U? No. Let me tell you some Pinyin rules. U sound never appears after ji, qi, xi, yi. After ji, qi, xi, yi, the 2 dots of yi sound should be removed. So when you see them, in fact, they are qi, qi, xi, yu. 2 points you need to remember here. First, U sound never appears after ji, qi, xi, yi. Second, the 2 dots of yu sound should be removed after ji, qi, xi, yi. Let's do a quick recap. Ji, qi, xi, yu, ji, qi, xi, yu. The 2008 Beijing Olympic Games were the most expensive games in history at a staggering $40 billion. The 2004 Athens Olympic Games cost a mere $15 billion by comparison. Okay, my good students, for mastering accurate Pinyin sounds, practice them as much as possible. Your comments are always welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, 加油!